Mga best, gagawa tayo ng chow mein na gagamitin natin ang spaghetti noodles. We're going to make a chow mein using the spaghetti noodles. And here are the ingredients. Chicken, cut up chicken is Thai chicken, garlic, onion, red bell pepper, celery, carrots, mushroom, green onion for topping, cabbage, broccoli, oil, sugar, oyster sauce, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, pepper, and salt. Okay guys, we're going to marinate the chicken thighs. These are 4 pieces chicken thighs that I cut up. We're gonna start with soy sauce. Two tablespoons. Dark soy sauce. Half of tablespoon. Sugar. One tablespoon. Oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon. We can always add more later, but for now, we're just putting a little bit at a time. Some oil. 2 tablespoons. We're not gonna put the salt, we're just gonna put pepper. I don't really measure my cooking, so it's up to you how much you want to put. Okay? Like this. Okay? We'll leave this here for a minute and we're gonna go to the next step. Okay, now we're gonna put the spaghetti. I think the water is already boiling. Okay? We're gonna use all this spaghetti. Okay? Guys, I just put 1 tablespoon oil over here. We're gonna fry most of this stuff. Okay? We're gonna start with the onion. We're just gonna cook it like maybe 1 minute. We can put a little bit salt. And pepper. Okay. Bell pepper. Pepper. Salt. Okay, celery. Okay, celery. Pepper. Salt. cabbage. Broccoli. Mushroom. The spaghetti is already cooked. I'm gonna cook the chicken. I just want to show you this. These are the vegetables that we cook. Fry a little bit. So it's ready to go. I'm gonna put garlic. I put garlic. The chicken that we marinate. Okay guys, I decided to add some ham. Okay. Now we can put our noodles. Okay. Wala mo maputlaya po. So, dagdagan tayong, we're gonna add some of this dark soy sauce. Some soy sauce. I don't really measure guys. So, some sugar. Some oyster sauce. Now, takman tani nung gusto na isang cup. Let's taste it. Good. Now it's time to put the vegetable. The noodle is already seasoned and done. So we're gonna put cabbage, onion and bell pepper, celery, carrots, mushroom, broccoli. Okay? Yan eh. Gawan ta mo piyabe-yabeta na. Bakit ta may kalasa yung gulay. Kay batang aliwa, ibilita mo kay babo, yung pantaping tamo. Actually, pwede ta nang ibili. Might as well put the rest. All together. Okay. Green onion. I almost forgot about them. Put them on top. Okay. Now it's done. Okay guys. It's time to taste my spaghetti chow mein. Okay, not too much. Okay, takman tane nung nanuya lasa. It's good. Suyang-isuyang kayang sangkap. Manya-manya. Okay guys, I'm gonna have to stop the video now so I can finish my food. Okay? Ang kanamo ken tutuki mga kabalen, mga kupang. Thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye.